Welcome to Danjir. In this video, we are talking about trending photo editing, which is most common nowadays in Facebook, as you see in these videos. This is very easy step. You just take only 1 minute for editing. Please watch this video till end so you don't miss any step. And also subscribe my channel for more videos. Let's start these videos. First of all, you need to install the software for editing this template. You can install it from the Power Play Store. As I search is Photolab, I am already installed it. You need to install this app first, then open it. This app need internet must. You must have to have internet session for open this app and editing these pictures. So at home you have lot of template for editing photos. We need to select this template, this trending Facebook template. I need to select the photo here. Just select here these photos. Here at bottom down side you can select an area for size selection, and at left side you can rotate it pictures like this, and this has section. You can also have mirrors. This is section of 90 angle rate, and this is 180 phase shift, and these are using for area selection also. And I use this is large whole picture size. Click on the next button. Just remove the ad. This take some time for processing. That's done. Now you can edit your photo by adding text, arts and effects, and animations. This is art and effects. Like these have number of free templates you have available. You can select it, and if you don't like any of these, go back. And if you add text, this is here, you can add in your name. Okay, press anywhere. For resizing, use both fingers for resize your text, and for font size and font style you can click here. For stars, mostly uses template are here, and for color you can use here for any color you want. For density line number outline for the text is here. Now the next step is how we can save this template. Here you can use save to drive or share. You can share it with your Facebook story, news feed, WhatsApp, or you can save to device here and download it. This is download in your gallery. You can check it. This is pictures. So in this video you can easily edit your photo by just one clicking. You can add more. You can edit your picture by more template, as you see in the home page of Photolab session. So if you like my videos, thumbs up on like buttons, share with others, and subscribe my channel. Thanks.